Quality assurance and increasing efficiency are key issues for compaction on road construction and earthworks contracts. That's why BOMAG has developed the Asphalt Manager technology, which presents new opportunities for forward-looking compaction management. If you look at traditional compaction methods, then the advantages of modern rollers with the Asphalt Manager become clear. Standard vibrating rollers are usually used, equipped with 2 amplitudes and 2 frequencies. The high amplitude, with a low frequency, is suitable for compacting thick layers or material which is difficult to compact. On the other hand, low amplitude with a high frequency is used for thin layers or for easily compacted material. The aim is to achieve the specified compaction or air void content with the fewest passes, leaving a satisfactory finish. Finally, a random density test is carried out by the contractor himself or a consultant. However, problems frequently occur using compaction with a fixed amplitude. Too many passes, especially on pre-cooled mix, lead to over-compaction or aggregate crushing. A non-adjustable amplitude frequently causes the drums to bounce, which puts high stress on the entire roller, the driver, and on the surrounding environment. Even oscillation with horizontally directed shearing forces, which is supposedly a low-impact form of compaction, can destroy the asphalt surface with too many passes or lead to a loss of bonding between layers. Contractors focus on 2 things: the cost of compaction and its quality. So rollers need to complete compaction using the fewest number of passes possible. They should also be versatile and be able to handle a variety of compaction jobs easily, from wearing courses to base course layers. Important quality requirements such as evenness and texture must also be met. To achieve all this, modern rollers must have high compaction performance and an intelligent control system to be able to exploit this potential effectively. The compaction performance of a roller increases with higher amplitude and static linear load. However, with the Asphalt Manager, the efficiency and quality of compaction is optimized by automatic control. The roller driver manages his compaction work better as he receives key information in real time. In asphalt compaction, the right temperature is a deciding factor for good results. This information, plus the working speed and amplitude, are visible to the driver via a dashboard display. The compaction quality achieved with the Asphalt Manager increases the working life of the road and reduces the likelihood of remedial work within the warranty period. How does the Asphalt Manager system work? With conventional vibrator systems, such as the circular exciter, vibration is created by the fast rotation of an eccentric shaft. When the direction of rotation changes, the amplitude also changes as the result of overlapping forces. Undirected movement occurs during compaction due to the interaction of the roller with the subsoil. However, with the Asphalt Manager system, vibration is directed. This is achieved by counter-rotating the 2 exciter shafts. The unbalanced masses of both shafts overlap at a specific phase and are added to the compaction forces. In automatic mode, compaction force is automatically regulated depending on site conditions and the progress of compaction. Asphalt Manager can be operated automatically or manually. In automatic mode, compaction is controlled and optimized by an intelligent system. In this instance, 3 different control ranges can be set. This means that the compaction force is always being optimized to achieve the target preset by the roller driver in the shortest time possible. Over-compaction, caused by a bouncing drum, is eliminated. In manual mode, there's the option to set 6 different fixed amplitudes. The measuring and control focus of the BOMAG Asphalt Manager is the dynamic stiffness of the material being compacted. This is displayed in the cab as an EVIB value expressed in meganewton per square metre. The advantages of the Asphalt Manager are a superior compaction output for a given roller weight category due to higher amplitudes and centrifugal forces, all in excess of industry averages. This translates into fewer passes and higher performance reserves for thicker layers or mix types that are difficult to compact. Compaction progress, expressed as dynamic stiffness, is displayed in the cab as EVIB in meganewton per square metre. For higher flexibility, 3 automatic settings are available. The compaction force continues to be automatically regulated, delivering optimum performance on each job. If preferred, the Asphalt Manager can be set to any of 6 fixed compaction levels. Where buildings in inner city areas or bridge structures need protection against potentially damaging vibration, horizontal oscillation is selected. Rollers with the Asphalt Manager can also be used as test rollers for the road subbase. The aim of compaction is to achieve a uniformly high load-bearing capacity. For this, a surface record is made of measured EVIB data from an established rolling pattern which can be printed out directly on the job site. This means that soft spots can be identified quickly and precisely corrected. A printer is available as a system accessory. BOMAG rollers with the Asphalt Manager are now available in all weight classes from 8 to 14 tons and are suitable for all types of road construction work. They include the BW174 and BW184 models with pivot steering and the articulated multi-purpose BW141-151 and 154 series. BOMAG rollers with the Asphalt Manager are of course available with split drums. This makes work around curved sections simple and efficient. Using combination rollers, contractors can achieve highly uniform compaction and good surface sealing. With sensitive mix designs, the Asphalt Manager automatically sets the compaction forces in the direction of travel. The mix is drawn under the drum rather than being pushed ahead as a bow wave. The articulated BOMAG rollers model BW190 at 12 tons and especially the BW203 at over 13 tons are the best choice for large projects. The same applies to the articulated BW184AD at nearly 14 tons. These are the mainstay models for the contractor looking for high compaction and surface output. BOMAG rollers with the Asphalt Manager form the basis for surface compaction control. Documentation of compaction results from large surface areas is increasingly becoming a contract requirement. This applies, for example, on projects where the contractor has to guarantee the quality and performance of a road over a period of time. Rollers with the Asphalt Manager are ready prepared for satellite navigation. This allows compaction data from the whole project to be measured and recorded to the last centimetre. On road construction and earthworks, intelligent compaction has just one name: BOMAG Asphalt Manager. Our new technology allows contractors and engineers to find better solutions for challenges like operate and maintain road contracts and to be more competitive on new projects. On large sites in particular, overall costs can be significantly reduced by employing the Asphalt Manager as the prime method of operation. With Asphalt Manager, BOMAG has again underlined its position as the leader in world compaction technology. BOMAG, best for compaction.